What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel again, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Deanna, and in this video I am going to be installing another wig because that is what I do on this channel. I install wigs. So anyways, the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from Arabella hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. This is their 5x5 lace closure balayage wig. I think I got this one in it's either 24 or 26 inches. And I think it's like 250 density, but if I'm lying, it's going to be the correct density is going to be on your screen. And so this is what it looks like. It's a closure wig, and so on the inside here you can see it has like nothing. There's like no combs, no elastic band, no nothing. It's just the wig, which is absolutely fine with me because this is still a really great quality hair. I did bleach the knots. Like, the knots didn't come bleached. You will have to do that. So I did that myself. But yeah, this is the color, and it's in a body wave texture, but when I bleached the knots I had to wash the hair, and then this is why it looks frizzy like this. But of course I'm going to style it, but this is just the color up close. Yeah, so I'm really excited to install this wig. So if you want to see what this hair looks like on my head, you got to keep on watching. All right, so just jumping into things, I am taking this little bonnet of mine off. My hair is braided in some braids. Man, I gotta get better at doing braids, y'all. But my hair is braided in some braids going straight back that looks like this. But I always just keep them like bobby pinned up like this, and that's why my hair always look like this in the front, and then it just looks crazy, but we're just gonna ignore that. So what I'm gonna do, even though this is a closure wig, I am still gonna use a wig cap. I'm using the HD wig cap that they gave me with the hair, and I'm just gonna put it over my natural hair. You don't have to use a wig cap. Like I always tell you all, you don't have to use a wig cap, but it is my choice just because to me, using a wig cap makes the style feel more put together. I'm using my edge booster, the pink kind, and I'm just gonna slick back my edges just because they were sticking out a bit like this. And slick them back on this side. And pull it back like so. And then now, of course, I'm going with my Ruby Kisses cream makeup. I got this from Amazon. So once that's done, now I'm going to take the wig, and I'm not going to spray lace tint on it at all. Like I said, I bleached the knots, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide the wig on my head. Oh, and it fits perfectly. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I just came out of a really bad wig like before this one, so to wear a good wig is so refreshing. I put it on and I immediately love this hair. I feel like a brand new person. New hair. Who it is. It is still a little wet on the inside, so I think I'm gonna blow dry it before I style it or anything. But I just wanted to put it on just to see how it felt. And even though it doesn't have like a clips, or it doesn't have clips or a wig band or anything, like I can shake my head and it doesn't fall off. Even though I'm not gonna wear the wig gluelessly, you absolutely could if you wanted to. I just don't want to. All right, so I decided I want to do a side part with this wig. So now I'm just figuring out, like, first of all, I always like my parts going to my left side over here. So I'm just parting the wig, and it parts super easily, as you can see. Actually, and I think I parted it in like exactly the place that I want it. Let me see. Yep, that was easy. I thought there was gonna be more to it. Nope, all I did was just part it, and yeah. So before I do anything else, I'm actually gonna go ahead and glue this down. I'm just gonna be using my Hold Me Down glue by Erica J. and so once it's like clear, I'm gonna roll this down. Just make sure I like where it's sitting on my forehead, which looks pretty good right here. I'm just gonna push this in. And I'm gonna go through with my hot comb. And now I'm gonna wrap my edges and just let it sit for a few minutes so this glue can dry on my forehead. All right, and so while my edges sit, I'm gonna just flatten my part a little bit and like define my part some more. So I know I want a side part. I just wanna make sure everything looks right. And what I like about this, even though it's like a 5x5 closure, you can still like switch up your parts. And I don't know, I just prefer closures, particularly 5x5 closures like this one, just because of how my hairline is, because 5x5 closures go like right in between where my hairline starts getting funky on the sides. So these are actually like perfect for my hairline, honestly. And now I'm just using my wax stick from Edge Booster. I'm just gonna put a little bit along the part. I really love the texture of this hair as well, but this is that texture where it's like you don't want to put too much product in it because it'll weigh it down. So I'm not gonna put like a ton of product. And I like that. All right, so now I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna cut off this lace. So to cut the lace, I have these scissors that I got from Amazon. They have like these little jagged edges. They're really like fabric cutting scissors used for like arts and crafts. And I've seen other people use these to like cut the lace off of their wigs. So that is what I am doing. I think to get in the corners up here, I'm gonna use like my baby scissors. And then I'm taking my gel from Eco and Style and I'm gonna swoop this. I didn't want to do anything too crazy as far as my baby hairs. I just want to do something simple since this is a little side part. This is gonna be such an easy slay, y'all. It's so crazy. Easy. And now I'm gonna take this again and rewrap my edges. Okay, so while my edges sit, I'm just gonna put some quick little body waves into my hair using my curling iron from Hot Tools. This is a 1.5. Is it a 1 inch? It's either a 1 inch or a 1.5 inch. I'm not particularly sure. I don't remember, but I got this from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. One of those. So yeah, like I said, I really don't care to have like super tight curls. If I have like a loose body wave, that is absolutely fine. I just want to add some texture back to the hair. So I'm just gonna take these little like 1 inch sections, wrap it around the barrel and call it a day. I like wearing body wave with like balayage hair because you can really see the highlights really good. You can wear it straight if you want to, but I think it's so pretty when it has curls in it. So I'm gonna curl this hair. Last little piece. This is what it looks like curled. Even though I am gonna like finger through it, I really love the texture of this hair. It's just giving good hair. So let me take this off. Whoo, child. And we are done. I was debating whether or not I should put layers in the front, but as you can see here, clearly I need to put some. I don't want to make them too short like I typically do, especially when I wear side parts. I just want it on the longer side this time. Is I'm going to take some more of this cream makeup and I'm just going to put it along the hairline just to blend in the lace. So any lace that needs to be blended will blend. All right. Period. And that is that on that. And this is the finished product and it's really cute. Oh, actually, yeah. Look at it. And it was super fast because it's a closure. You know, we don't have time for all the frontals, all that jazz. Just got this. And I love the texture of this hair. The lace is really pretty. It just blends like right in. And yeah, this color. Let's get into the balayage. Y'all know I love a gold balayage moment. Like, look at this. Like, period. Like, come on. Who do I think I am? Anyways. That is it for this video. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, put it in the comment section and I will get back to you. But that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Adios. Till next time.